Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install the packet tracer. You gotta search for netacad.com and it will take you to a Cisco website. So scroll down, click packet tracer, and it will take you to another page where you have to scroll down again. When you see into the packet tracer, click learn more and say sign up today. So it will take you to this page where you have to put your information in, such as email, first name, last name, so on and so forth. So once you put all your information, you have to create an account. So make sure you put the right email. They'll send you an email like this to activate the Cisco account. Once you click this activate account, it will take you to a page where it will ask you to create a password for Cisco account. Since I already have an account, I'll go right here and click login. And once you logged in with your email and your password that you created, it will take you to this page where you have to click resources and click download packet tracer. So scroll down, you'll have four options. First will be 64-bit Windows download or 32-bit Windows download, or you can download for Linux or Mac OS. So since I have Windows 64-bit, I will click this and it will start downloading. So let's just wait till it downloads. So by the way, this is the newest version of Packet Tracer. If you wanna download previous versions, if you scroll more down, it will have previous version of Packet Tracer as well. It has it for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And same previous than this one will be 7.2.2. If you want to download that one, you can download that one as well. So it looks like mine is downloaded already. So let's double click on it. It's loading. And it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes. A window will pop up. I said, I accept this agreement. Click next. It says where you want to save this file. I'll say just save it as it is as a default. I'll save this as well as a default. Create a shortcut. No, I don't want a shortcut. This correct, okay, install. Now it will start installing Cisco Packet Tracer on your desktop or PC. So let's just wait a minute or so. Once it's downloaded, it will open an app. It will show a page, or it will show a page where you have to sign in to your Cisco account. Okay, click finish. Yes. All right, this is the Cisco Packet Tracer. Before we access to the Packet Tracer, you have to sign in. So put the same email you have put when you signed up for Cisco Packet Tracer class. Same password as well. And it will take you to the Cisco Packet Tracer app. So this is it. We'll be using Cisco Packet Tracer throughout this course, okay? So make sure you guys download it. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys again. Bye.